Combination.
Murag chicken lagi.
Hello world and welcome to another row vlog. We're currently in Khao Yai with Anis and Dudong and Auntie because we want to explore Khao Yai for one day, 24 hours. But yeah, of course we will not stay here, so let's just say half a day. And where we're standing is a very interesting place. Hi guys, we are at Mother Say No, our first stop, and we have Auntie and Anne and Udong with us. So yeah, we are like French people. We eat croissants in the morning because they will open at 10. So it's only the cafe now, and we have to wait for another 30 minutes. But we cannot wait. We're so hunger overload. That's why. Yeah, first stop. So guys, we have just finished our brunch and right now it's almost 10 and the proper breakfast is being served, like your rice and viand. And so that's why when you saw our video a while ago, it's only croissants and coffee and tea because they don't serve that until 10. So now it's 10 and I can see people coming through. But you know what's good about this place, guys, is they're eco-friendly. They use eco materials and they have a nice view here over the pond. So and I think that's why it's Mother Say No, because it's like Mother Nature should be saying no to plastic. That is my concept on that one, right?
Hello guys, we are actually in PV Valley. This is one of the best place to visit in Khao Yai actually, especially if you love wine. And this is actually a winery location in Khao Yai, and we will recommend this to you guys if you are here in Khao Yai. And also please try their food and you will enjoy actually, especially if you order the beef, and it was so good. And there's a shop inside and you can also buy lots of stuff like wine, juices, and also t-shirts, bags and stuff like that. So please come and visit PV Valley.
Hey guys, so we're gonna buy rose oolong tea from Singha Park, which is in Shanghai. I've been wanting to buy one and now I found it here in PV Valley. So we're gonna buy this and probably the original oolong, which is green tea. So yep. And bun round, yeah, that is also nice. But I don't know what to buy. This one is like strong for my taste. I'll have rose in this. Right? We're gonna buy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Right guys, after this one, we're gonna go to Pierrom Cafe. And guess what? They are affiliated with Pierrom. Probably PB Valley and Pierrom Cafe are in one company. Yes, because it's like a few minutes drive from here. So yeah, we're gonna go to Pierrom and show you. It's a different place. This one is the winery.
So right guys, I think I'm gonna get this one. It's a grape juice or wine. It's a grape juice and it's only 120 baht and it's 100% grape. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one, right, Michelle?
Alright guys, welcome to Pierrom Cafe. This is a 5-minute drive from PB Valley, and this is a cafe, I think, which is the cousin company of PB Valley, because they advertise this in their menu books and on posters. So we have to check this place out because we can just pass it from there, and it is a nice place. Right guys, we are standing outside the entrance of the hotel, Kensington Gardens. And what can you say about the place? Is it nice?
Very nice.
Yeah.
It looks like we are in Europe right now.
There's a chapel and an art gallery before coming in.
Right.
That's why we were wondering when the guard said, oh, the restaurant is 1 kilometer away. It's true. It's 1 kilometer away from the entrance coming over here.
Yeah.
So we will show you the gardens around. That's why it's called Kensington Gardens, because they are imitating like Versailles. Yeah, and then they have like well manicured lawns, and it's huge. We cannot cover all the grounds, but we can show you bits and pieces here, and also on the way out, the chapel and the cafe and the gallery, because you know, if you are going to be having your wedding here, the chapel is open for everyone to use. And now we are inside the gift shop. So as you can see, they have a lot of things in here. There's a candle, which is in the form of a Christmas tree. That's really nice. So guys, this is our last stop and we are back at Midwinter where we came a few months ago.
Yeah.
Last February, and now it's December. We're here, we're back.
And it's all cold right now.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Right guys, we're seated outside on the lawn because we don't have any reservations. I normally would have to reserve when we come over at Midwinter, but this time it's an impulse and wants to eat pizza. And since we haven't got pizza a while ago, so we came over here. We know there's pizza. And then I told her, you go tell the man. And she said, we don't have reservation. Okay, so the man gave us something. And now we're here. And it's much more nicer, I think, compared to the one seated over there on the tables, because this one is like on a party in the lawn. That's why I like it. And look at the view. Who could have said that we are in Thailand? We are at Khao Yai. And look at my eyes. It's getting teary-eyed because of the cool weather.
So by the way guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so that you will be updated of our next vlog.
Please help support our channel and subscribe so that we can reach 1,000k and our goal, so that we can also give back to the community.
So hope to see you again on our next vlog guys. Thank you so much and stay safe and take care. God bless. See you later guys. Peace.